Oh, well, I guess I should start again. I had my mic on mute. I had my dogs out. Anyways, I was playing to you. You saw the whole thing, so real quick. Oh, you can make a new video if you guys want, but you'll have to restart this. Anyways, so I guess you will not understand anything that I want to say because obviously you need to actually see the whole explanation. Anyways, here we are. We broke the all support. Anyways, this is interesting. We had a resistance here created by this full rally, and we broke this. Now was previous support. We didn't have any support anywhere on this. I mean, we had, this is a weak support, this is a weak support. That's only the only two supports that we could have found, and you can see we blast this one really bad. That's a no. And then the second one we blasted really bad. That's a no. So you cannot count those two supports. And then now we're here, and with this one is a stronger support because we have a lot of little dots, maybe 10 or more. for each closing we get a dot, so we have a long resistance here, acting as a strong support. The problem with this is that we're not creating any support. Like this one, it's a perfect, nice, long support for us. And this is, as you can see, look at how many dots. And I was hoping that we will create at least 10 or 12 dots like this to be comfortable enough for me to buy something. But at this point, we're dropping below this already broken before resistance, now support. And I was saying before, the high candle was 78.98. If you can see to the right of my screen, you'll see that the opening, the closing, the high, and the low. So we had a high of 78.98, and guess where we are right now? 78. So we are $20 below, and that is actually not a good sign. And I was hoping that it will stay above 8,000, so for me to be comfortable enough to buy at this price, but we just blew it. So and so if we're thinking about this, I don't know if we will create any support after this. I'm definitely thinking that we're gonna end up falling to the next one, that is 63. Okay, forget about, because BTC is not respecting any laws anymore. Fifth retracement was blown out at 81, and obviously now we are below 80, 81, and it's already a broken support. There's nothing there. So the next one for us would be this one, that was a pretty decent resistance before, and now it will act as our support. So the range now that I would be thinking about is this one. Okay, so I know that I said 75, but 75 was based on a retracement that I did from this rally, and I'm going to show you again. I took from the bottom up because I'm looking for support, I'm not looking for resistances. So I'll take this rally right here. So you see the 38, it was broken. Usually BTC loves to stop right here and turn around, but we are not there anymore. So the next one is obviously at 23, and I gave it wrong again. I had so many things on my other chart that it made a mess. So this is our next support. Okay, and these fifth levels are working pretty well. There's no pattern that you can look. There's nothing that you really can, hope for. The only thing that you're now holding on in is on the fifth levels and on the creator resistances from before. And again, it's a little fishy situation. I'm staying out of this trading. I'm not even gonna try. What I'll do is I'll just wait. It will take a couple of days, and if I have my other chart open, let me see. I know I have so many charts for BTC. This is Neo. There's nothing there. I think I clear it, but I'm gonna put it on this one because this is a daily chart. So I use log for my charting, for my lines, just because logs are way better. So let me do a trend line. Let me clean this. I hope you guys understood my reasoning from this. So we have a trend line. Let's just start from this one. No, this one is the better one. So I know we only touched twice on this one, so if we go one here and we go one here, that's two touch. So right now what I'm thinking is a new touchdown and I hope that it will bounce up from this right here, somewhere right here. So I'm gonna put a target right there. It's dropping pretty fast, and this is a day candle, and it's already almost there. So I'd say that this is 75. Oh, there you go. That's where I got my 75 from before. Anyways, that's a trend line right there. And after 75, I don't really know where it is. I don't see any support right here. Again, this is a very weak support, and I don't know if it's gonna do double bottom. There is nothing here for me to say that we're gonna stop at 58 that we stopped before, and my stop loss actually activated at 79, so I'm officially out of all my BTC positions until I can find a good entry point. And the best guess that I can have right now is this one right here, 62. This range, which is only $300, it's pretty lame. And the next one for me would be this right here. Unless BTC creates something here, I'd go for this 5100. And obviously this one that was created by this little price movement, that it's gonna be at 3000, and if you stretch this, probably you're gonna hit somewhere on the other side. Oh yes, well, this is amazing. I know they say this is a pretty good weak support, but how about this? If I move this up, see these two little dots? Alright. But again, I'm not saying we're going there. I'm just saying this is where I see supports. I don't see anywhere else. So I hope that you enjoy my half an hour silent chat, then 10 minutes explanation of everything. And I'll see you guys in the chat room. Thanks for being here.